move out the way so you guys can see the headlines. It says, Joe Jonas, Sophie's crossed the line. Divorce judge says kids should stay put in the United States. Okay, this is one of the cases and areas of family law that I specialize in. It is called international abduction cases. And if you don't know, my name is Attorney Montgomery, and I practice family law and immigration law in Atlanta, Georgia. The name of my firm is Atlanta Family and Immigration Law. And I specialize in these areas because not many attorneys do handle both family law and immigration, and that's what sets me apart from the rest. I've been doing these cases for years. This is a situation where two parties marry from different countries. And Miss Sophie is from the UK. Joe Jonas is a part of an American band, or was before he went solo. So both of these people have careers, and they crossed paths, and they fell in love, and the rest is history. So now they have kids, and they're going through what appears to be a bitter divorce. Now, so what does this mean? So what happened is Sophie has keeping the kids in New York, and her goal is to fly back to the UK with the children while this divorce is going on. Well, here's the problem with that. What is the resident or the domicile of the children? Where did the parties intend for the children to be raised? When you are dealing with people from different countries, different citizenships, the children may have dual citizenships that they have obtained from their parents. So the children may have UK citizenship even though they were born here in the United States, right? But now we're going through a divorce. So the question then becomes for the court, where do the kids stay? Do they stay in the US or do they go back to the UK? This judge is saying the kids got to stay here in the United States until a final decision is made awarding custody and visitation, etc. Okay? So what you have to understand is, and this happens all the time, where one party says it's over, we're not working out, I'm going back home to my country, and I'm taking the kids. Not so fast. We have to determine what was the intended domicile. So the courts are going to look at a pattern, a history of where the children are enrolled in school, where are their doctors, what is considered their home, their residential home. They may have a home in the UK, but is that the residential home, or is the US home in California or New York the intended home base for the children? Everyone's got a home base. These folks, even though they're celebrities and they travel, they still have a home base. So this is the issue. And so the courts may have deemed that the children's home base is the United States because they're enrolled in school, and this is what they know as home. So when that happens, judges have to make a very tough decision in telling one parent, no, the child can't go there, the child has to stay here. And it also factors in whether the country that the other party is going to is a signatory of the Hague Convention. Many, many years ago, countries got together, signed a document, and they said that they would honor the rules and orders of each country. Not all countries are signatories, but most of them are. And if they are, they have to abide by the Hague Convention. And that's what this judge is doing. This judge is saying, based on the criteria that has to be met, it's showing me that the United States is home base. So that's where the children are going to stay until this divorce is final. I'll be keeping you guys posted as this story develops. But this divorce looks like it's going to be quite messy, quite juicy, and whenever kids are involved, it usually is. Until Until next time.